Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can create event on your Facebook page. So it's pretty simple. So you want to go on facebook.com and make sure you're inside your page account. Now once you're inside your Facebook page account, what you need to do is click on this little button over here at the top right which says menu. Once you click on menu, you want to click on this option called events. Once you click on events, it's going to show you all the event which is currently available on Facebook. So what you can do is click on this option called create new event. From over here you can choose the photo which you want for your event by clicking on edit. And if you click over here where it says event name, you can even set an event name for your event. So I will set it YouTube event. This is going to be the event name. And the date for this event is going to be 23rd. And the start time for this event is going to be at around 2:45. Then I'm going to choose what type of event it is. So it's going to be a virtual event. And I'm going to hold it via Facebook Live. So I will choose Facebook Live and then write the details. So it is basically an event, so I will write event. I'll click on create event, and an event for this date and time will be created for my Facebook page. So that is how you guys can create yourself a Facebook page event. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.